In this video, we're looking at 6 essential travel bags that you need and how you can use them. Welcome to the Drake Conversation. I'm Isaiah Drake.
And I'm Kristy Drake.
And today we're looking at 6 bags you have to have for travel.
And guys, don't tune out because this is for you too. So the first bag we want to talk to you guys about is your main luggage bag. So this is a bag that you put everything in to get where you need to go, and it's definitely dependent on the type of travel we got. So
this is the bag we recently bought, and this is in preparation for our 6-month Europe trip.
And it's huge.
It is huge.
That was one of the main things that we were looking for. So 6 months in Europe is going to include a lot of things that I'm going to need to pack and the souvenirs that we buy. So we were looking for a bigger bag. So this bag is an 84 centimeter bag, and it's also got some very cool tricks.
Yeah, so it has its own compartment where you can put your big boots for any hiking or whatever you're doing on your trip. It also has wheels, so if you're in the airport or if you're on a smooth surface where you can walk and drag it behind you, it's also great, so you can use it like that. It is also the backpack, so we can wear it on our backs. Kristy did some research. There's a lot of places in Europe that have cobbled streets, and that's going to destroy your wheels on your bag. It's great that we've got these as backpacks so we can walk across those.
Yeah, it's also great because the bags are so big and I'm quite little that I don't have to have the bag on my back the entire time. I have the option of the wheels as well.
Yeah, and there's so many pockets inside, which is awesome. Then another thing is it comes with an RFID blocker, so you've got some assurance that there's some protection over your credit cards or debit cards or your phone or whatever you are keeping in your bag.
We also got them on sale, so we saved about $150 per bag when we bought them, so that was pretty awesome too.
Now, if you want to check out this bag, there is a link in the description, so definitely check that out. So with this bag, or even a suitcase, depending on the bag you're using for the trip you're going on, this will be your checked-in luggage. But that leads us on to the next bag you need, which is your carry-on bag.
Which is bag number 2. So for your carry-on, we definitely recommend using a backpack. And one of the reasons is because it can be reused as your day bag. So wherever you are, you can put swimmers, towel, water bottles, whatever in it, and you don't need an extra bag. So this is just a really good way of using bags for multiple things.
And a really good thing about the backpack is it has that even weight distribution across your shoulders, which means that you're not going to hurt your back, you're not going to hurt your shoulders, rather than say a duffel bag or a handbag or something that you're holding on one side. You definitely want that even weight distribution.
So bag number 3 that we recommend is either a belt bag or a crossbody bag.
A bag like this is super important to put your valuables in, like your phone or your wallet or any money, keeping that close to yourself.
A lot of the time, ladies especially, will just take a nice handbag that you keep on your shoulder, but these are super easy to steal, unfortunately. So we're looking at going to Europe. A couple of different countries in Europe, unfortunately, have a high theft rate. So we're definitely looking at investing in a couple of these bags too.
And one thing we would just want to mention is when you go on trips like this, if you have a bag like this, try and avoid putting your phone or your wallet in your pockets. This is what this bag is for, so it's closer to your person. We hope you're getting value out of these tips. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. The 4th bag we recommend you to use is a laundry bag.
Yeah, so these are excellent just to have stashed in your luggage and just to put your dirty laundry in straight away. It keeps it nice and separate from your clean clothes. And then as soon as you get to a washer, wherever that is on your travels, you can just put the whole bag straight in. So easy and super clean. Bag number 5 is a toiletries bag, and we definitely recommend something like this where the bag is a bigger bag and it unfolds.
Yeah, one thing I like about this one is it has a whole bunch of compartments, so it's really easy to separate everything you need.
Yeah, definitely for all the girls out there, this is a toiletries bag that can fit everything in it. Usually I take something like this, plus about 2 other cosmetics bags just for a weekend trip. So I'm looking forward to having one of these. And it also, because it unfolds, it means you're not rummaging around for all your things. You can just easily see where everything's located.
And that moves us on to the final bag. This This is a bit of a unique one, but I think it's really useful, and that is a Ziploc bag. Yeah, so Ziploc bags are kind of a surprising one, but I have to say every time we've taken them, we've always ended up using them. We've used them at the beach to protect our phones from sand. We use them on day trips or picnic if you're packing some food in your lunch and you need to use them like that. And you can even use it for soap.
Yeah, so especially any of those liquid soaps that you've got or hand creams or anything like that, they're great for carry-on luggage to keep them really separate from all your clothes.
Yeah, and speaking about carry-on luggage, when you're going on a flight, you also need to have small liquids in a clear plastic bag so that customs can see what you've got.
So it's great for that. Another thing is we recommend getting some reusable, sustainable ones like the ones in the link below. These are just great, especially for traveling. You might not be able to find them wherever you are. You can just wash them and reuse them. It's so good. We hope you found this helpful. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite bag was. See you next time.